Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, doing well. In today's video we are hooking up a very beautiful and adorable crochet baby rompers designs ideas. Hopefully you like this video and different collection and different ideas. So please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a comfortable and stylish garment for your little ones. In this video, we will be making a stylish and gorgeous crochet baby rompers designs ideas perfect for different occasion, different season. Crochet baby rompers designs ideas are unique. This romper is sure to impress. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To shape the sleeves, we will use different techniques and different ideas. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or romper styles. You add some embellishments like button, applique work, flowers, beads, pearls, stones, different hooks and buttons and many beads ideas. You add and decor your crochet baby rompers, baby jumpsuit designs ideas easily. You decor your crochet baby frock, crochet baby booties, crochet baby frocks, romper, jumpsuit. You watch my more videos. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas, different detailed videos. Watch till end and like my videos and share with your friends, with your relative, customers, crochet work experts and others. And the best part, you can pair with anything, pair it with beautiful crochet caps, booties, white shirt, colorful shirt with beautiful romper, crochet baby rompers design. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more designs. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relative, customers, crochet work experts and others. These all the ideas are unique, and please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Okay viewers, bye bye.